Aren't you tired of using these old, outdated, ugly fonts?
I'm so tired that I wanted to go to sleep. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to install fonts on your Windows operating system in 3 different ways. Let's jump to the screen. But wait, before jumping to the screen, if you watch this video until the end, I'm going to give you a font pack as a bonus. Let's go.
If you want to download fonts, you can simply search download fonts into your internet browser and you'll see lots of different websites that you can easily download fonts from them. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to install fonts on your Windows in 3 different ways. Okay, let's start with the first one. The easiest way is choose the font that you want to install, right click and press on install. If you are using older versions of Windows such as Windows 10 or lower versions, you'll see this tab and you'll see install for all users. If you hit on install for all users, if you have any other user which can log in into your PC, into your operating system, he or she can use this font. If you want to just install this font for your current user, you can hit on the install. The second way is you double click and open the font. It does not matter that you use Windows 11, 10 or lower versions. These ways are going to be supported on all of the Windows operating systems. Okay, you'll see this tab. If you press on print, if you have a printer, this font UI is going to be print. But if you press on install, this font is going to be easily installed onto your Windows operating system. Another way to install fonts is this. Press logo plus E on your keyboard and then go to your C drive. In here, go to your Windows. You'll see a font folder. The appearance of that is different from other folders, so you can easily find it. Okay, these are my fonts. I double click it and I will see lots of fonts, bunch of fonts that I actually installed them in this location. As you can see, I have lots of fonts in here. You can just simply select them, right click and press and delete. You can also select multiple fonts and again press on delete. You can do it. And if you want to install a font or maybe lots of fonts, you can select them and copy them on this folder. With a simple drag and drop, these fonts are going to be installed. Let me tell you another way. You press on logo button. You need to go to your settings. Okay, if you don't see the settings, you can simply search it. I type settings, it will be open for me. And in here, you need to search fonts. Okay, if you search fonts, the font setting, it will be appear. But if you want to find it from the elements, you can go to personalize. In here, you need to scroll and see fonts. In here, you will see all of the fonts that you actually installed. And with a simple drag and drop, you can install fonts on your Windows 11. Okay, again, I select 2 of them and go there. As you can see, the cursor changed. Is going to be look like copy. Okay, I press copy. I actually installed that, but I'm going to reinstall it because I actually installed all of them. All done. I told you all of the ways that you can install fonts on your operating system. If you want, you can watch this video too. On that one, I'm going to tell you how to speed up your Windows search bar. Let's see. Let's take a quick look. If you want to search something in here, it will take hours to find it.